Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's lesson, I'm going to teach you all how to make oatmeal cookies. The ingredients we're going to be using are sugar, oats, 2 large eggs, flour, unsalted butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. They're out. Now, as always, let's see. It's used on me this week. Kelly, you're up, Kelly.
Clap for Kelly.
Alright, Kelly, baking cookies is more complicated than it looks. You got your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients. Wet ingredients being
Take it off.
in the sugar, the butter, and the egg.
Take it off.
The eggs, the cinnamon, and nutmeg. So let's start with our dry ingredients. Our flour, our oats, our salt, and baking powder. Let's start with our wet ingredients. First, put in this bowl 1 cup of sugar, and our 2 large eggs, next thing is 6 tablespoons of butter. Now you see tablespoons right here? That's how many tablespoons each stick in. Because right now each of these packets is a 1/4 cup, and we only need 6 tablespoons. So we cut it in half. Cut it again. Then turn our tablespoons into cubes. To make it much easier. Next, we add in our cinnamon and nutmeg. Open it. Sprinkle on like so. And stop. And a little more nutmeg. Now stop. Now up. Then we grab our whisk and mix our wet ingredients together. Try to mash the butter like so. Wet ingredients can be smooth like butter. Shortly speaking. That's our wet ingredients made. Now for our dry ingredients. First, you got 1 cup of flour, or in this case, 1 1/4 cup. couple teaspoons of baking powder. Some salt. Like so. Then we add in our wet ingredients. That's and 1 cup of rolled oats. Then we mix all our ingredients. Then we combine all our ingredients. Like so.
Can I see?
Sure, Shalom. Alright. Now let's make our first batch of cookies. First things first, we line our tray with parchment paper. Yes, Darrell? Alright. Next, we take our ice creams and scoop out some dough. You roll into a ball and place it on the tray.
That's some cookie, that's some.
Not yet.
I didn't have to instruct you that time. But you know, it's always good to do small scoops. Otherwise, if the cookie gets too big, it'll merge with the other. Merge with the other cookies. It makes it big. That's a little too small. No, that's a little too small. Try making your scoops like baby bear's porridge. Not too big, not too small, just right. Next, take our tray into this pan. Make sure the oven is pre-baked. Make that 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is set to bake. Then we leave them in for 20 minutes or so. Or until the edges of the cookie brown. 20 minutes later. Alright. Now we take our cookies using an oven mitt. Leave the cookies to cool. Then we take it out of the tray and leave the finished cookies to cool down. Now when our finished cookies are done cooling down, we bring them one by one to a plate. Like so. And just like that, you got some delicious oatmeal cookies right here.